everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Holly and I have an unbagging for you today, and it is Southern Bliss Boutique, and I can't wait to open this. I'm excited because if you remember correctly, this one was, oh my goodness, I just got one, and then surprisingly I got another one in the mail, and I was like, ooh, I can't wait to open this. So I don't know what's in here, so that's what it looks like. And this one is $21.66 a month, and then you can get the Bath and Beauty for $21.66, or you can bundle both of those and get the bundle for $50 a month, which you can get the Bath and Beauty and the bath items and the other for. So I'm not entirely sure, but this is what it smells good. So I'm thinking I got both. Oh, I got some bath products. So this is, I got some bath products and a t-shirt, and there's some flip-flops on there, and it says fireworks, flip-flops, and freedom. That's so cute. That is so cute. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, I love it. I just love that. That's so beautiful. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, so what did we get in our bags? Wonderful. I don't exactly know. So this must be the Bath and Beauty, which is $21.66 a month. So I'm going to, whoa, come back here. Oh, my bath bomb got broke. Oh no. Here, let me hook it back together. There we go. Okay. So this, it says, "You are the bomb. Thank you for your order." And this smells so good. Oh my goodness. It smells like cotton candy. Oh my goodness, cotton candy. That smells so good. Are these bracelets maybe? I think these may be bracelets. Those are cute, like those. And then this, I think this may be a bracelet as well. It's very cute. I think it is a bracelet. I like that too. Very pretty. Very pretty. Crystal Collections, that's who that's from, Crystal Collection. And then we have this, and this has my initials on it. Holly Marie Hathaway. That has my initials on it. Isn't that so cute? That is so cute. That is so cute. Too cute. Okay. And then we have, I think this is a scrubber. I'm thinking you put it in, like you use it in the bathtub. Cute. I love everything. That smells so good. That is amazing. This bag came from, remember when I did the one box and I told you guys, I said, now get ready, because you guys need to go on and you need to do this box, because everybody gets a free box. Remember that one? That is this box, ladies. Thank you very much for sending me this box again. I am so grateful for this. I love everything thank you very much for sending me this box to review again. And as usual, this was amazing. Everything in here was amazing. I love this shirt. This shirt is, it's so wonderful. I love this shirt. I am definitely going to wear this. I love it. It's amazing. I am going to wear it to my next function because I am a Legion member. I am an auxiliary member, and I'm very proud of being an American patriot. So I love this shirt. I think it's so super cute. And I love my necklace. I think this is so super cute too. Thank you very much, Southern Bliss Boutique. I love everything. And I hope that any of my subscribers that have not yet tried Southern Bliss Boutique, go ahead and give them a try, because this is just too cute. I love it. All right, guys. Well, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, well, what are you waiting for? Why would you not want to be? All right, guys, I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know how your day's going. My day is going so fantastic. The sun is shining. Life is good. My hair is cooperating. What else can a girl ask for, right? Right. Okay, I'll see you in my next video real soon. Bye.